starts now.
Tonight, Indiana business and hospital leaders say we will soon match or surpass the greatest number of COVID hospitalizations since the start of the pandemic, and that could bring severe economic consequences.
Yeah, absolutely. For them, it's clear a vaccinated workforce is vital. So the Indiana Chamber of Commerce is now giving employers an option they weren't expecting. News 8's Amisha Ramsey learned about this new plan.
Staffing shortages are not uncommon right now. If you take a look around your workplace, it probably looks like a ghost town. That's because people are spending less time at work and more time in the hospitals and slowing down the economy.
If you've been vaccinated for COVID-19, it probably wasn't easy to get around your work schedule. And if you're thinking about getting vaccinated, long lines may be a big turnoff. But now your employer has the option to bring a vaccination site to you. The Indianapolis Chamber of Commerce and Franciscan Health Immunization Department is launching the COVID Stops initiative. They'll set up free COVID-19 vaccination clinics on site for employers across all 92 counties.
We all want the pandemic to be behind us, but that is simply not the case yet. And it won't be the case until more Hoosiers get vaccinated.
The supply chain shortage is another big issue. If one employee is out with COVID-19, it's a trickle-down effect.
And we can have 100 people in a process that are showing up, and if one person gets COVID, that link in the chain breaks, and then we can't get the product out.
To receive the complimentary service, an employer has to have 15 people total. This can be employees as well as their dependents, or two small businesses can work together. If they can't meet that requirement, there will be a small travel fee. Right now, hospitals are burdened with unvaccinated patients with COVID, and frontline workers can hardly keep up. The hope is that communities will get more vaccinations, and that can help reduce hospital visits.
We are unbelievably forced to hold too many patients in the ER due to lack of bed availability, which is not the best patient care.
Straining our hospitals, it's straining our tired workforce, our frontline healthcare heroes. And the vast majority of the patients that we see hospitalized for COVID that are really, it's taking up a lot of the slack that's meant to be in the system. They're unvaccinated patients, unfortunately. And so we know that vaccination is safe, it's effective, and we encourage all Hoosiers to get vaccinated and boosted immediately.
The Chamber of Commerce says it will recognize employers who get employees with a shot in the arm at about 70% rate or more. Reporting in Indianapolis, I'm Amisha Ramsey, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Amisha, thank you. IU Health sums it up in one picture. Take a look. It says, and it reads, we're at our breaking point. The hospital network posted on social media today that it's taking in more patients than it has beds, and it's becoming a growing daily challenge to treat non-COVID patients. Now, this comes as Indiana shatters the record for new daily cases. The state health department reported more than 12,000 new cases today. The previous was 8,436 cases. That's the previous high on December 2nd. Last year, more than 3,000 Hoosiers remained hospitalized with the virus. Now, local health leaders want you to consider keeping your New Year's Eve celebrations small. The Marion County Public Health Department says vaccinated and boosted people should feel more comfortable celebrating in groups of other vaccinated people. But the department warns that the longer someone interacts with others, the higher the risk of COVID spread. Leaders recommend wearing a mask indoors.
Well, children between 12 and 15 years old may soon be able to get Pfizer's COVID booster. A person familiar with the FDA's plan says the agency is expected to broaden eligibility in the coming days. Well, right now, people 16 and older can get the shot 6 months after their 2-dose series. This comes as 2 reports show the Johnson & Johnson booster protects people from severe illness from the Omicron variant. One study is from South Africa, and researchers say they found vaccine effectiveness against hospitalization rose to 85% after a booster shot. The other study is from the U.S. It showed the J&J booster stimulates a strong immune response from T cells, which protects people against severe disease, even if they don't block the virus entirely from infecting the body. Well, Johnson & Johnson says the studies will be submitted for peer review.
Several key Colts players will be back on the field this weekend.
Yeah, the COVID list is dwindling down. It's great news as the team prepares for a big game against the Raiders. Sports director Anthony Calhoun is here with us with how the team is preparing for a huge weekend.
Yeah,
Just
it is a
one,
big week
AC.
indeed. And, you know, it seems like every other week we're talking about the Colts getting ready for a massive game, right? Big one coming up on Sunday. We'll see what happens with the Horseshoe. Hey, good evening to you. We begin tonight talking about your Indianapolis Colts, and a lot will be on the line on Sunday when the Colts play host to the Las Vegas Raiders at Lucas Oil Stadium. A win and the Horseshoe, well, is playoff bound, and there's a caution optimism tonight that their quarterback, Carson Wentz, will be cleared against the Raiders from the reserve COVID-19 list. Now, one major player the team will have back on the field this weekend is All-Pro linebacker Darius Leonard.